Hello, dear students. Welcome, everybody. In this video, I'm going to talk another interesting lesson that's come under Unit 5 Work, and the lesson is Our Schedules Ourselves. This is an essay. It was written by J. Wal Jasper. Especially, this essay talks about the free use of time. Modern people they always want to remain busy in their daily schedules. Here people have very hectic lifestyle nowadays, so they are very busy from morning to evening, from dawn to dusk. So busy life always makes the person to involve in the works, and they are just losing their personal freedom and losing their time with the family. In this essay, Wal Jasper talks about the free use of time. So, due to the hectic lifestyle, hectic daily schedules, people don't have much time to enjoy life fully. They may not have the personal freedom. They may not have the free time with their friends, relatives. So, what the life is there? In this essay, the writer talks about the hectic daily schedules of the people. Now let's move on the main idea of this essay, Our Schedules Ourselves. Here, J. Waljasper is the editor of Monthly Magazine. In this essay, here the writer talks about, especially the writer advocates for the free use of time. Here, most people have such hectic, busy daily schedules that they don't have time to enjoy life fully there. Modern people have always thinking, they have such a thinking towards materialistic matter. They always want to earn the money alert. For that purpose, they always remain very busy in their day-to-day life from morning to evening. So ultimately they don't have much time to enjoy their life fully. Means they don't have personal freedom, they don't have much time to their family and friends and relatives. So here what Jasper talks about, we should have some time for our personal freedom. We should have some leisure time so that we can enjoy with our friends and family and relatives. Here the writer is advocating about this matter. Here the life has been increasingly hurried and stressful, definitely due to the modern trend, due to the materialistic thinking. People life has been increased, that is so much stressful due to their hectic lifestyle there. From morning to evening, from dawn to dusk, for the person is busy in the flying his schedules and tired of his work. He always remain himself busy in their works because he has materialistic concept in his mind. That may be the idea there. uh, we say. Then one more thing, over the last few decades, people don't have time to take meal. It is because the world has become extremely materialistic. People have materialistic tendency. Now, materialistic tendency has been grown like a fatal disease there. So people have such a concept. They always want to remain busy in their day-to-day life. When they remain busy in their day-to-day life, then they can on alert. Means they have materialistic tendency in their mind. Here, the writer talks about we should give some time for our friends, for our family, and we should separate some leisure time with our personal freedom as well. Here, the writer is talking about this due to our busy schedules, due to our hectic lifestyle. So we always keep ourselves busy. So which is too bad here. The writer is saying here. It is because the world has become extremely materialistic. Here, in fact, we are the bigger than our timetables. Especially we are preparing for timetable, but we are making the timetable, but we are bigger than it. Now we have become a slave of time. We always move after time. What is this life? Here the writer is just demand, he is taking about we should give some free time with the people. uh, okay, so here the writer is saying here, in fact, we are bigger than our timetables, so we should not try to make ourselves weaker by unlimited list of our duty. We should take real steps to find some time for ourselves. People have more demands, aspirations, and duties in life. So here, the writer offers several suggestions to help free people from their hectic lifestyle through this essay. The writer is saying, well, dear students, let's go. It's a summary of this lesson. Here, Wal Jasper talks about our schedules ourselves. Here, the writer is advocating on our busy schedules, our hectic life. The writer is focusing on that. We should not keep busy ourselves themselves. We should have some free time to enjoy with the family, friends, and relatives. The writer is advocating about this issue here. So schedules ourselves is an interesting essay. Here, let's say that is the idea here. Well, the idea is that our schedules ourselves is an interesting uh, essay by J. Waljasper. In this essay, the writer talks advocates for the free use of time. He heads the idea of scheduled life and recommends for the magical spontaneous moment that provide the real bliss of life. As soon as a person breaks off his schedule, he gets freedom and he is able to achieve unimaginative happiness due to the so-called modernity. So due to the so-called modernity, the life of people has been burdened with the hectic factors like work and routine there. The writer is saying this. Then American people have a very busy timetable from morning to evening. They run to attend another program and finally go home to relax, avoiding some less important work. But there might be some other things to do in the evening. Every hour of day and every day of the week is planned. People follow calendar and move on. They do not have time to be solo and enjoy. They will be surprised if they do everything as planned. All Americans have become slave to timetables. Now people have become slave of time. So as a result of modern has man has become the slave of time. Obviously, the time is limited, but the person has to do unlimited works from morning to evening. The person is busy in flowing his schedule and tired of his work. It is very rare that a person gets time. As a result, a person is deprived of the real pleasure that his life offers him. We are beggars than our schedules, said Paulo, and he was absolutely right. We are not born for being slave of time. In the name of flying the pace of time, we are trying to fly with it, and consequently, we have been enslaved. So that is the idea the writer is saying here. Similarly, on the contrary, the writer suggests that the people not to work overtime as well as not to have over desires. The so-called option always drag a person to slavery. Therefore, a person should put some time for the unprepared schedules that he could feel the real bliss of life. The writer doesn't mean that we shouldn't do our routine work, but his anger is towards the over hectic life due to the so-called material prosperity. Moreover, he intends to make the people aware that unplanned schedules empower a person or utilize him immediately. So it is necessary to break up the schedules time and again. So that is all about the summary here. There is one more question here. According to Waljasper, what are the major factors contributing to people's increasing hectic lifestyles? So here the writer, especially in this essay, our schedules ourselves, the writer is talking about some idea there. Let's discuss. For this question, here our schedules ourselves is an interesting essay by J. Waljesper. In this essay, the writer advocates for the free use of time. He adds the idea of scheduled life and recommends for the magical spontaneous moment that provide a real bliss of life. According to Waljesper, the major factor contributing people's increasing active lifestyles are a dizzying timetable of duties, demands and options, commitments, human desires for more choices, and new experience, fast pace of life, industrialized, fact-based society, materialistic mentality, or race to better their financial level. So these are the major factors contributing to people's increasingly active lifestyles. So that is all about this essay, our schedules ourselves. I hope Easton will get in concept from this video. Uh, Please do like, share, and subscribe this video. That always make me motivate to make such kind of video in the days to come. Uh, now I like to end the video here. Hope to meet you in our next video with interesting lesson, interesting history. Till then, take care. Goodbye.